On YouTube, if it's one thing creators have no shortage of, it's data. Seriously, if you like numbers, try uploading YouTube videos for a week, and the YouTube Studio will present you with all the numbers that you could ever wish to look at. Post a new video? Well, look, it was posted. In fact, you have 4 million views. Look, it's good. You published 30 videos in the last 28 days. I think I've made my point. The vidIQ tool has always been there to take all the data that YouTube gives you and simplify it in ways that we feel are more actionable for creators. And that is why today I want to talk about our latest innovation towards that goal. Our latest update takes all of the various things happening on your channel and turns it into a scrollable feed. We've already talked about what it is, of course, but in case you missed it, essentially it is now a feed that pops up when you go to app.vidiq.com and presents you various bits of information that you could find helpful and you can act on immediately. For instance, it will give you different videos that you've done recently that have missing tags, and it'll even give you those tags with a friendly little publish tags button. So you don't even have to go over to YouTube to add those. If you agree with the tags that are being presented here, you just hit publish tags and it'll update your video for you. It'll give you title suggestions. It's going to give you niche outliers, different videos that are performing well in your space, and more. So today I just wanted to take a deeper dive into the feed and show you the different types of smart cards, as well as all the different ways you can interact with each one. So what you're seeing here is relevant to our channel, and it's going to look different for you. App.vidiq.com should take you straight here as long as you're logged into your vidIQ account, and this is the first thing you'll see, or something like it. It's going to tell you how many subscribers you have, how many views you have, and it may even pop up with new insights for you as well. And if you click this, it'll show you some videos with missing tags. So when you log in, you're going to see different smart cards, and they're going to be in a different order than I'm seeing them here. Right now, it's giving me a title suggestion on a recent video that isn't doing super hot. The video was titled How to Revive Your Dead Channel with Grace Helbig, and the title suggestion that it's recommending is Why Taking a Year Off Was the Best Decision. So I might consider this title and go, okay, that's not too bad, but taking a year off from what? Why taking a year off from YouTube? If I hit apply right now, it will go over to YouTube and actually update this title. Now, when I say that this tool presents the YouTube data in a more actionable way, I'll show you what I mean with that same video. So let's go over to YouTube and let's go down to this Grace Helbig video, How to Revive Your Dead Channel, and let's hit analytics. And you have to do a lot more work here to infer what our tool was basically telling you. Hey, why don't you try updating the title? Instead, you could look at the video itself. Subscribers of your channel are showing less interest in this video, contributing to 33% fewer views. Okay, so we know our subscribers are seeing less of it. What's going on? And it gives you a bunch of information here about what might be happening. You're getting fewer views from recommendations, you're getting a lower click-through rate, you're getting a shorter average view duration from channel subscribers. Now, don't get me wrong, I love the information YouTube gives us here, but the closest we get to a suggestion is consider whether there was something different about this topic or format of this video that could have affected how it connects with viewers. We absolutely should look into those things for our next video, but it's nice to have this scrollable feed where it's going to present me different issues going on in the background for existing content. And so getting to update this on the fly is pretty nice. I've already shown you what the missing tags smart card looks like. You can again go in, you can see all the different tags. You can even take some of them out if you feel like growth tips is a little too vague or the score is too low for you. You can go ahead and edit them all in here and publish them straight to the video from this dashboard. Or maybe you're more like me and you don't play with tags as much as you used to. You could always just dismiss this card if you don't want to see it anymore. Scrolling down a little bit, we can see various niche outliers. Now, our niche is going to be YouTube, YouTube culture, YouTube growth, and it's presenting a few different ones here that did really well for these specific channels. Of course, you can click on these from here and it will bring you to YouTube so you can watch the short yourself. As always with outliers, my personal way of looking at these is to consider how I might get in on the conversations happening. If memes about YouTube Shorts comment section are working right now really well, then I might consider other memes or jokes I could tell about other various things happening on YouTube. For example, there's a lot of conversation right now at the time of recording this video about how much YouTube shows you on your home feed that is not long form videos, but instead YouTube Shorts and also YouTube playables, things like that. Maybe if I'm feeling clever, I can make a joke about this. Who knows? It might get some views. Now, something else all of these cards will contain is the Ask vidIQ button. If you see some outliers and you feel like brainstorming a little bit with an AI chatbot, it's right there. Beyond niche outliers, we have the trending keyword card. This one's pretty self-explanatory. It's going to give you a keyword or key phrase, such as how to increase views on YouTube, and it's going to show you that right now that's getting 2.7K views per hour. You can even see on each day how many views per hour it was getting and where it's at right now. So This makes sense for us right now because we're getting into the new year and a lot of people are thinking about how to get more views in 2026. And this is something we're already actively acting on. Clicking on the card for trending keyword, in this case YouTube growth tips, will reveal the various videos that are currently trending for this particular keyword phrase. Again, as you scroll, it's going to show you even more of these. So there's another trending keyword, how to grow a YouTube channel, which is also picking up some interest. One of the cards you might see is called enhanced thumbnail. It'll take a thumbnail that is underperforming on your channel and it will give you an AI updated thumbnail that you can choose to use as it is or use for ideas to re-inspire you to update that thumbnail yourself. If you don't like the output, you can hit regenerate to get some other ideas. And if you do like the output as is, you can always apply it straight to the video itself without even going into YouTube. Earlier, I showed you some niche outliers that were for YouTube Shorts. Of course, if you make long form content, you're also going to find niche outliers for that as well. We have a card here for top search terms telling us that in the last 30 days, how to get more views on YouTube is our top search term. And we can see all of our top search terms for that 30-day period as well. This smart card will show you new traffic that you're getting from related videos in your niche. If we click on it, we get to see a whole list of videos from a variety of different creators. These videos have recently brought us a whole bunch of new viewers. Last but not least is my favorite card in this entire suite of smart cards, and it is your recent topics. In this case, we're looking at long form videos, and as of at least 3 weeks ago, YouTube updates was our #1 topic with 37,000 average views. And with these cards, there's actually a lot you can click on and interact with. So I can see all the videos that are categorized as YouTube updates, for example. This is a bit older. If I press the refresh button, I might be able to find a more recent card, but starting a YouTube channel is one that I think is going to pick up really soon because, again, we are getting into the new year. And so I wouldn't be surprised at all if this entire graph flips on its head soon. What's really cool about this, though, is if you're somebody who makes different types of content on YouTube and you haven't really identified the different content buckets you're working in, what this is doing is it's grouping your content into different content buckets, into different categories. And if you felt like one of them was doing really well and it kind of surprised you, then hey, maybe there's a lot more content in this category that you could be doubling down on. What I would love to know from you is what this tool, what this feed is saying about your channel. What did you learn the first time you opened it up? Let us know in the comments below. And if you don't have this yet, the link is down below as well in the description so that you can sink your teeth into this right now. I'm Dan, and this is the vidIQ tutorials channel, by the way, where we give you different tutorials about different vidIQ tools like this one. So go check out that next, and I will see you next time.